Everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to come up here and do a natural makeup look. So for my first step, I am going to prime my face, and I am using the Decay All Nighter Face Primer, and I'm gonna gently rub that in. And also I'm going to prime using the Fenty Beauty's Matte Pro Filter Face Primer. I believe that's what it's called, and just apply that to my smile lines and crease areas. For foundation, I am using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Caramel. And I'm just going to apply that directly to my face. And I'm only using one layer of foundation because this is a natural look. I'm not doing a full coverage look for this video, and I'm using the Huda Beauty Sponge to blend all of that in. Using the rounded bottom of the beauty sponge, I'm just tapping the foundation in. Now I'm going to conceal, and I'm using this color because it is not too bright. I am using it to conceal like under eye, dark circles and bags, or just dark spots in general. And it's a very pretty color that goes very well with the undertones of my skin, so that's a plus. And I'm letting that sit for a while before I blend that in. So I'm using the pointed end of the beauty sponge to blend the concealer in. Making sure that I get into the creases. And just tap everything in. As you can see, it's not giving a really highlighted effect, which that's exactly what I'm going for. Now I am going to cream contour using this really pretty color. It is not dramatic at all. I am applying it with a smaller foundation brush just to get it into the areas that I want to contour. Apply some to my jawline. And this color I really like as well because it's a great match for the undertones of my skin. And then I'm going to apply some to my nose area just to create a kind of nose contour. And using a flat contour brush, I am going to blend in that cream contour that I applied and just blend everything out. And I make sure that I am blending towards my hairline. So next I am going to go in with more concealer. I'm using a brighter color, and this is to highlight my under eyes in other areas. And I'm going to let this sit under my eyes before I blend it out. Now this will kind of conceal the dark circles under my eyes that I have gotten from the pregnancy insomnia, but that's another story. And now I am applying a little more concealer. Sometimes I really like to use a lot of concealer, so. And using the rounded edge of the beauty sponge, I'm just going to tap everything in together. I am setting my under eyes with a setting powder, and then I'm just tapping that in. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and tap that in. And I'm going to take a blending brush just to blend out that nose contour that I applied earlier. And I'm going to take more setting powder just to set my nose, to give me that contoured look, but it's really not. And also set my smile lines. I'm not going to tap that in, I'm just going to let it bake. And using whatever is left over on the beauty sponge, I'm just going to tap under my eyes and other areas of my face. Now it's time to set my entire face, and I'm using a big fluffy brush. And I really like this part because I feel like the whole look comes together, and I just love when I can like blend everything and get like that perfect base before I do my final steps. Blending my nose one more time. I am going to bronze my face now using a flat, I think powder brush, just to apply the bronzer by Fenty Beauty. And I'm going to apply that mostly in areas that I contour previously. And this will add some warmth back into my face after applying all the powders. And I'm going to take some of that bronzer and apply it to my nose where I cream contoured, and also to my eyelids as an eyeshadow. And I'm going to take my eyeliner and just reapply my beauty marks because they sometimes get lost under the makeup. And I'm going to apply a little bit of highlight and just blend that in with my finger. That's usually the only area where I will highlight. And then I'm going to apply some brush in a really cute peachy orange color. Sometimes I like to apply a lot of blush, but we're just going to keep it simple for this look. And I'm going to line my lips with a lip liner, I think in the color Natural or just a brown. Either one works fine. I just grab what I see first. And I'm using the lip gloss by NYX, and it's in the color Tiramisu. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching.